As the state of Florida rebounds, how much has been spent on the coronavirus?
It took a week of asking, but State Capitol reporter Forrest Saunders has the initial numbers and what COVID-19 is costing so far.
The most recent state numbers just last week show Governor Ron DeSantis has authorized about $300 million general revenue dollars for COVID-19 expenses. The breakdown: $10 million for the National Guard to help with testing, $50 million for the state bridge loan program, which was quickly used up, $65 million for masks, and $163 million for tests, medical equipment, and more.
Okay, let's go in a little bit.
The estimate doesn't include a reported $100 million used to fix the Department of Economic Opportunity after its unemployment website and small staffing failed to handle a tidal wave of unemployment claims.
People are just so frustrated now, they're just giving up. And you can't give up because you just can't.
$1 billion more in COVID-related expenses are coming out of state and federal trust funds. The bulk, about $600 million, from the U.S. government to ease the state's $900 million Medicaid cost. The remaining expenses a mix covering elder assistance, food bank aid, and others. The costs are still growing by the day, and eventually the state's emergency management department hopes to recoup about $700 million from FEMA as disaster dollars.
Governor, do the right thing. Call your legislature back to work.
Democrats have grown uneasy over the expenses for weeks now, pushing for a special legislative session to address them and expected revenue losses for this and next year's budget.
We are now seeing reports and forecasts that our revenue shortfall may now be as much as $10 billion. That's over 10% of our budget.
The GOP majority is against the idea of returning for now. Bill Galvano's staff saying the Senate president believes Florida is still on a solid financial footing, but will reevaluate when new general revenue estimates are available next week. At the Capitol, Forrest Saunders, WPTV News Channel 5.